Behind me is the Durvasa Rishi Ashram. It is on the outskirts of Prayagraj, maybe at a driving time of 45 minutes. It is dedicated, it is a complex, it is a temple complex and an ashram of the great Maharishi Durvasa. Durvasa finds a mention in the ancient scriptures wherein he is reputed to have a very short temper. So in his fit of short temper, he used to give a lot of blessings or boons or curses to many people during his lifetime. In one such incident, he got a garland of beautifully scented flowers which he offered to Lord Indra. Indra placed it on the head of his elephant Airavat. The elephant did not like the strong fragrance of the flowers, and he removed it from his head and threw it on the ground. This enraged the rishi, and he cursed all the gods that they will lose their strength. Taking this advantage of this opportunity, the Asuras, that is the demons, they started fighting with gods and they started actually winning. So to help them out from their predicament, the gods, they approached Lord Brahma, and Brahma gave a solution that together the gods and the Asuras will do the greatest exercise in human history, that is Sagar Manthan. So the origins of Sagar Manthan and the story behind it finds their source over here at this ashram of the great Maharishi. We are standing outside the ashram of Maharishi Durvasa. I will take you a quick walk around in front of the temple premises, and I will show you the places around. So it is well marked on Google Maps. After you keep following the main road, it takes a diversion where there is a board which is marked. I'll share the location of this board on the blog. Over here, as you can see, this temple has got an open courtyard, open parking space, so there is ample parking over here, and as well as here there is a small park over here, and towards this side is the river Ganga ji. This is the outer complex of the temple, and in the distance you can see the dome. This is one of the entrance of the temple. And over here is the second entrance. This is the entrance which people use to pray for the great people tree. And further ahead you can see the inner temple complex.